The South African streetwear brand Galaxy Boy made major moves by hosting an exclusive pop-up store in Paris. From Pitori to Lefatshe, from South A to the world. It's really amazing to see that it's not just the music that's dominating that side, but also our local brands are doing the most that side. First it was Maxxosa, and now it's Galaxy Boy. From just a kid from Kokasi dreaming, and now you are making it this far. Now this international showcase brought bars in Paris, not just for bringing the local streetwear to Paris, but also them learning our language and seeing how we move. Shout out to the owner, Todd, and shout out to Pitori, shout out to SA for believing in him. This is what happens if you put your mind into something. This is what happens if you dream big. And we've been killing it when it comes to local brands.